Bored with the same old sausage recipes? Here's a fun and delicious twist to make your sausages stand out. First, place your chosen sausages in a skillet or a pot, whatever you have handy. Now, add just a splash of water. Drizzle in a bit of oil, olive, vegetable, or whatever you prefer. The oil will give the sausages a beautiful golden color and an irresistible crispy texture. Make sure to turn the sausages frequently, allowing them to brown evenly on all sides. Once they've achieved that perfect combination of browned and crispy, remove them from the heat. This step is crucial as it adds that extra layer of flavor and texture that takes the sausages from mundane to magnificent. Next up, the bread. You'll need a slice for each sausage. This is where you can get a little creative and use whatever bread you like, white, whole grain, or even gluten-free options. Flatten the bread slices using a rolling pin, a bottle, or even the palm of your hand until they are nice and thin. This thinning of the bread is not just functional, but also adds a playful twist to the preparation. Now layer each piece of flattened bread with a slice or two of mozzarella cheese, or any cheese you prefer. Place a sausage on each cheese-topped bread slice. Then roll each sausage up in the bread, tucking in the sides to create a snug wrap. Dab a little water on the edges of the bread to seal them. This step is like wrapping a present, where the sausage is the delightful surprise inside. For the crispy outer layer, crack a couple of eggs into a bowl and beat them enthusiastically. You're aiming for a smooth, well-mixed concoction. In another bowl, pour some breadcrumbs or crushed crackers. These will give your sausage rolls the ultimate crispy coating. Dip each bread-wrapped sausage first in the beaten egg, ensuring it's thoroughly coated, then roll it in the breadcrumbs. This double-dipping process is key to achieving that satisfying crunch. Now for the grand finale, frying. Heat a good amount of oil in a skillet, enough to allow the rolls to float freely. Carefully place the rolls in the hot oil and fry them until they turn a gorgeous golden brown, making sure to turn them so they cook evenly on all sides. The aroma of frying sausages wrapped in a crispy coating will fill your kitchen, signaling that something delicious is on its way. Once they're perfectly golden and crispy, carefully remove the rolls from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels. This step helps to drain any excess oil, ensuring your sausage rolls are not greasy but perfectly crisp. And there you have it, a simple yet stunning transformation of everyday sausages into a dish that's sure to wow your family and friends. Each bite of these crispy, cheesy sausage rolls is a delightful mix of flavors and textures that will leave everyone asking for more. So, are you ready to try this amazing sausage makeover? It's an easy and fun way to upgrade your meal and impress everyone at the table. And don't forget to share where you're trying this recipe from. It's always exciting to hear how dishes travel and adapt across different kitchens around the world.